When experience meets innovation, the future is unstoppable. At MATACHANA, a family business founded in 1962 by Antonio MATACHANA, we draw on a substantial legacy and a great vision for the future. Remaining constantly at the cutting edge in products and services. As an international leader in the design and manufacturing of sterilization, washing and thermo-disinfection equipment, likewise offering comprehensive solutions for the prevention and control of infection in the healthcare, life science, and pharma sectors. MATACHANA is made up of a great professional team of more than 550 employees. But more than numbers, it is people who matter. MATACHANA deploys its efficient and inspirational working model at its company offices in Spain, France, Germany, Italy, Portugal, and Indonesia, with a presence on all 5 continents through its network of official distributors in over 120 countries. In the healthcare field, we offer comprehensive solutions for medical device reprocessing plants, serving hospitals and healthcare centers, complete solutions for special biocontaminated waste treatment, and equipment for the anatomical pathology and morgue areas. Within the life science sector, we provide equipment for laboratories, research centers, and for biosecurity. And in the pharma area, specific equipment for the pharmaceutical industry. Always offering the very best solutions tailored to the needs of each client and equipment of outstanding quality. All designed and manufactured with the very latest technology and the commitment to automation and robotics at all times, fulfilling and guaranteeing the most demanding criteria of environmental sustainability, energy savings, and minimal consumption of natural resources. Our extensive catalog features a wide range of steam sterilizers, various low-temperature sterilization systems such as hydrogen peroxide, and plasma sterilizers, and 2% formaldehyde sterilizers using exclusive MATACHANA technology. We also offer a full range of washer thermodisinfectors and washers thermodisinfector cabins accessories, such as robotic loading and unloading systems and peripherals, as well as the MATACHANA Easy View supervision software, and a wide range of consumables and monitoring systems, such as the BioVelox 20 line. MATACHANA has 4 in-company production sites, all of them in Europe, with the leading quality certifications and fulfilling the highest demands in terms of energy savings, sustainability, and respect for the environment. Castelldefels, Barcelona, specializing in steam sterilizers. Tudela, Navarra, intended for use in low-temperature sterilizers. Bergamo, Italy, focused on the manufacture of washing and thermodisinfection equipment and peripherals. And Santa Maria de Palautordera, Barcelona, specializing in the production of pressure vessels, a site defined by robotics and the integration of automated resources. Although the latest technologies, innovation, and outstanding quality define the way we design and manufacture, our customer response and service define the way we act. Which is why, at the MATACHANA Group, we not only design and manufacture solutions, but also deliver them. And we do so with the very best talent and a wonderful team of people capable of meeting any challenge and responding to any situation. Our technical engineering support provides solutions of the utmost quality, efficacy, and speed worldwide, at any time. Meanwhile, our MIIC, the MATACHANA International Education Center, provides official theoretical and practical training courses on all 5 continents. Because if innovation is the essence of tomorrow, we are fully prepared to be at the forefront and to continue creating the solutions to deliver a better future for everyone. MATACHANA, innovating for a better future.